The Amana Error Code F03 indicates a compressor phase protection issue, commonly found in Amana refrigerators and freezers manufactured from the mid-2000s to early 2010s. This code signifies that the refrigerator's control board has detected an imbalance in the compressor's electrical phases, triggering a safety mechanism to prevent potential damage. This is often related to issues with the compressor's start components or power supply. Ignoring this error can lead to compressor burnout, a costly repair. Several factors can trigger the F03 error. The most common causes include a faulty compressor relay or start capacitor, power supply issues like voltage drops or surges, and a malfunctioning overload protector. A failing start capacitor is a frequent culprit, especially in units older than 10 years. Voltage irregularities, which can be caused by power outages or fluctuations, can also initiate the phase protection mechanism, leading to the F03 error. Corroded wiring due to humidity can also contribute. Before calling a technician, try these DIY troubleshooting steps for the Amana F03 error. First, unplug the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the control board. Next, visually inspect the compressor relay and capacitor for any signs of damage. If you have a multimeter, check wiring continuity and test the capacitor for capacitance, typically 12 to 35 microfarads for start capacitors. If you are uncomfortable working with electrical components or the problem persists, it's crucial to call a certified appliance repair technician. Remember, quick resets without diagnosis are not recommended. The start capacitor and relay are critical components in the compressor's operation, providing the initial boost needed to start the motor. These components work together to provide the electrical boost needed when the compressor starts up. To test the start capacitor, use a multimeter set to capacitance mode. Connect the probes to the capacitor terminals and check the reading. A reading within the 12 to 35 microfarad range indicates the capacitor is functioning properly. A reading outside this range, such as too low or too high, indicates a faulty capacitor that needs replacement. To test the compressor relay, set the multimeter to continuity mode and test the contacts for electrical continuity. A continuous electrical path, indicated by a beep or low resistance reading, means the relay is working properly. A lack of continuity suggests the relay has failed and needs to be replaced. If either component fails the test, replacement is necessary. These parts are relatively inexpensive and can often be replaced without replacing the entire compressor, saving significant repair costs. Proper replacement restores normal compressor operation. Voltage fluctuations can cause the F03 error in Amana refrigerators. These power supply issues disrupt the compressor's phase protection mechanism. To check for voltage problems, use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the outlet. The reading should be consistently around 120 volts. If the voltage drops below 110 volts or experiences frequent surges, this can trigger the F03 error code. To address these issues, consider using a surge protector or voltage regulator to stabilize the power supply. If voltage problems persist, have an electrician evaluate your home's electrical system for underlying issues. Consider a real case study involving a homeowner with a 2012 Amana bottom freezer model ARB2257CW. After a power outage, the refrigerator displayed the F03 error code. Upon inspection by a technician, the diagnosis showed that the start capacitor had failed, which is a frequent trigger for the F03 code in refrigerators from the mid-2000s to early 2010s. The solution was to replace the faulty start capacitor along with the associated relay, ensuring proper compressor function. The total cost for this targeted replacement was approximately $50, and it successfully extended the refrigerator's lifespan by another 5 years. This real-world example illustrates how addressing the specific failed components can resolve F03 errors affordably, avoiding the higher costs of complete system replacements. Repair experts emphasize that the F03 error is often preventable with maintenance, like annual capacitor checks. Statistics show F03 is a common error in Amana units, with high repair success if addressed promptly. However, a significant percentage of DIY attempts fail without professional help, leading to increased repair costs. It's crucial to correctly diagnose the issue rather than attempting quick resets. For continued F03 errors, consult a professional appliance repair technician.